Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'll show you the latest updated method to install ESign on your iPhone or iPad without a PC and without jailbreak. Plus, I'll guide you on how to install IPA files easily on iOS 16, iOS 17, and even the latest iOS 18 with ESign. So, let's get started. First open Safari, and then open SKIBIDI Tech website. I will put the website link in the description, and then hit on Download SKIBIDI, and then hit Allow to download the profile in your iOS device. Now open Setting, and then open Downloaded Profile, and then hit Install, and then hit Install again to install Downloaded Profile in your iOS device. After installing it, now you will see SKIBIDI Tech app on your iOS device home screen. Simply open the SKIBIDI Tech app. Now you will see different ESign links there. Hit on Get on the first ESign link, and then hit Install to install ESign in your iOS device. Once ESign app is installed in your iOS device, now open Setting, then open General, and then open VPN and Device Management. Then open Enterprise app, and then hit Trust, and then hit Allow and restart to let ESign app work in your iOS device. After restart, now you will see that the ESign app will start working properly without any problems. Now open SKIBIDI Tech app again, and then hit on the certificates. Then hit on Get on the first e-certificate, and then simply save the ESign cert file in your iPhone or iPad. Now open the ESign app again, and then hit on three dots on top, and then hit Import. Then select the downloaded ESign cert file, and then hit Import again. Now hit on the imported ESign cert file, and then hit Import Certificate Management. And now we are good to use ESign app. Simply download the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device. Then open ESign app, and then hit on three dots on top, and then hit Import. Then simply select the IPA file you want to install in your iOS device, and then hit Import again. Once the IPA file is imported, now hit on the apps, and then hit on your imported IPA file, and then hit Signature. Then hit on More Settings, and then scroll down and bottom, and enable the second last option, and then hit Signature again. Now hit Install, and then hit Install again to install your IPA file in your iPhone or iPad. And that's it. You've successfully installed ESign and can now enjoy your favorite IPA files without a PC or jailbreak, even on the latest iOS versions. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful, subscribe for more iOS tips and tricks, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.